How to get the Roblox voice chat on the Roblox. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can get the Roblox voice chat. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to log in your ID, and after login here in the top right corner there is the gear icon, that is of the settings. You have to click on it. Now from here you have to select the option of the settings, and from here you just have to scroll down, and here you have to add your email address and the password, and after that you have to go in the personal, and here you have to add your birthday. Now how you can get the Roblox voice chat without the ID if you want? For that what you have to do is again go on the settings, and you have to go on the help. Now once you are in here you have to go on the articles, and from here you have to scroll down, and here is the option of the I need help with my account. You have to select it. Now after that you have to again scroll down, and from here you have to select anyone from this option, and after that you have to again scroll down, and as you can see that here is the option of the was this article helpful. You have to select the no, and you have to go on the need more help contact support here, and after that once you are in the contact information here you have to add your first name, add the email address, confirm your email address, and here you have to go on the word device type. Are you having problem? And here you have to select your device type, and after selecting the device type you have to select your type of the help category. Now from here you just have to select the voice chat, and if the voice chat doesn't show you any option you just have to click on the data privacy request, and from here you have to add all of your issues in the description of the issue, and you have to click on the submit, and after submitting your report you have to wait for the Roblox to respond to your report. So this is the only way that you can get the Roblox voice chat without the ID. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.